made a video recently titled How Bed Bath & Beyond could go to $400 if it did similar squeezes to AMC and GME. And boy, did it not do that. If it can achieve the types of squeezes that GME and AMC did, that's looking at over a $400 stock. I'm not saying that's going to happen. Once again, next week, this could be back to a $10 stock. That could also easily happen. And boy, did the latter half of that prediction certainly come true. It's very important you understand the downside risk in every trade you take. That's why I talked about it in that video. And in the terms of short squeeze moves like this, the downside risk is very large. They're very straight up, straight down moves. Unfortunately, Bed Bath & Beyond could not do what GME and AMC did in terms of pushing up towards $400, the similar type of squeeze. But if we come into the intraday, into the 1 minute charts, you will see that Bed Bath & Beyond has just had a push. And I have a thesis for why I believe it's going to continue pushing. I explained it pretty well over on my Twitch, over on my live stream that I do every morning where I trade live. So I'm going to play that clip, and then after we will come back and I'll kind of break down what I talked about in the clip. So while it loads, hit the like button, hit the red subscribe button, and let's get into it. Bed Bath & Beyond will bounce. I'm telling you right now, Bed Bath & Beyond will bounce. They will murder these puts. What market makers are doing right now is writing a load of puts at extremely high volatility. It's what they're doing. These expire today, by the way. These expire today. The implied volatility on puts, 750%. The 9 strike puts that expire today are still selling $20 each. Market makers are writing, now let's look at the volume. How many of them have already sold? And there's already been 4,000 traded, 28,000 10-strike puts traded. Market makers will write a bunch of these puts, and then they'll murder them. That is my thinking today. Maybe not even today. Maybe they're not even worried about these puts. But, they're also, they're also writing a lot of these puts. They're writing a lot of these puts. They're writing a lot of these puts. Like, Bed Bath & Beyond will see bounces to murder the crazy implied volatility of these puts. It will happen. Once again, it's just like what they do with AMC. They've been doing this with AMC and GME since the initial squeeze. Since the initial squeeze, they've been writing puts. Every month, every single month, AMC gets a little pop. Pop, pop, pop. Killing puts, killing puts, killing puts, killing puts, killing puts, killing puts, killing puts. And they play it both ways too. They're no dummies. During these pops, what are they doing? They're selling calls. They're selling calls all the way up. They kill puts, kill calls. Kill puts, kill calls. Kill puts, kill calls. Manipulation isn't only when stocks go down, right? Stocks can get manipulated up just as much. And that's why AMC gets these pops. And Bed Bath & Beyond will start doing the same thing. Market makers will bank on the implied volatility of these meme stocks, just like they have been doing. So that's the end of the live stream clip. And while that was playing, I took some time here in present time in the real world, I guess, to let the Bed Bath & Beyond chart keep playing out. I showed you at the beginning of the video, it had pulled up right about this. I was kind of hoping this would happen because this is a perfect representation of what I think they are going to keep doing with Bed Bath & Beyond. Today is options expiration Friday. Weeklies are expiring today, so it's a good day for them to yank this around to kill both calls and puts with the extreme volatility that the options currently have in them. Obviously, because of this giant gap down, there's a ton of volatility on both sides. That means the options are more expensive. That means they're more primed to sell. So they are yanking the stock around, pushing it up, shoving it down all around, just getting people to buy calls, killing it. Getting people to buy puts, crushing them, crushing the calls. They're crushing the implied volatility on both sides so that the option writers are the ones making money. Let me talk about that for a second. You have no idea option writing, puts, calls. Trey, what the hell are you talking about? When you write an option, when I say write an option or sell an option, the current 10 strike put that expires on September 2nd is selling at 178. You multiply that by 100 because an option contract represents 100 shares. So they're selling at $178 each. That means if an option writer comes in and sells this, they are writing the ability to short the stock at $10. They're giving you the option to short the stock at $10 if it closes below $10, but you're paying them $178 premium to do so. So if on September 2nd, Bed Bath & Beyond is above $10, closes above $10, this option will expire worthless, and the writer, the seller, gets to collect all the premium. That's what I say when I say, or that's what I mean when I say an option writer wants to kill the puts, right? They want to create volume on both sides. They're moving the stock. They shove it up to create call volume. They shove it down to create put volume, but they never really let the stock go anywhere. It shoves up, shoves down, a lot like the AMC chart, right? I showed you the AMC chart. If we go out to the daily here, they've been doing this for so long. Shove the chart up, run it down. Shove the chart up, get the call buyers excited. Oh my gosh, yes, yes, yes. Down in their face. Oh my God, yes, yes, down. Oh my God, it's going to the moon this time, down. You guys are on FinTwit, Twitter, Reddit, anywhere. You'll know anytime AMC moves, everybody thinks it's going to $1,000. Every single time it moves, you'll see retail start freaking out and think it's time for the MOAS of AMC. What happens every single time, every single month? Option writers win. Option writers win. Option writers win. And they're not only shoving it up to sell calls. Remember, they're selling puts to people down here too. So they're not just screwing the bears here. You know, they're screwing the bulls. Sorry, they're screwing the bears because there's also a bunch of people, haha, AMC is going to go straight back to 5. I'm going to buy my puts. Nope, they're dead. Oh yes, AMC is going to go to 1,000. I'm going to buy my calls. Nope, they're dead. Oh yes, AMC. Nope, 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 nope. You know, and that's what I expect to start seeing on the Bed Bath & Beyond chart. I expect to start seeing, now that this has become such a mainstream retail stock, I expect to start seeing basically what is happening here on the 1-minute chart on a larger scale, where they let it run down, get everybody excited, get all the bears excited, crush them by ripping it up, let it run down, get all the bears excited, crush them by running it up, force them to stop out, force them to exit, lock in the profit on those options, and then get at the same time, getting all the call buyers excited. Yay, I'm buying. Nope, crush them. Now the bears are starting to get excited again. This is all happening on a 1-minute chart right now, but I expect this to happen on the daily. So yes, the title of this video is named Why Bed Bath & Beyond Will Go Up, but I don't necessarily think it's for good reasons. I don't think it's actually going to fly back up. I think it's going to do what AMC did. I think it's going to be manipulated around, yanked up, yanked down. Market makers are going to make a bunch of money on this stock, like they've been doing with the other meme stocks for a while now. That's my thesis. Of course, do whatever you want. When I make these videos, they're just ideas. Don't overreact. Don't freak out. People freaking out about ideas. I give you these ideas so that you have something to chew on, right? You take this, you do what you must with it. But that's my idea. That's what I think is going to happen with Bed Bath & Beyond. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. If you're super bullish, give me your arguments. If you're super bearish, give me your arguments. Hit the like button. If you did enjoy the video, hit the red subscribe button if you're new. With that being said, I'm going to go ahead and sign out of this video. I will catch you all in the next one.